Now we're going to talk about winterizing your Travato using antifreeze. You need to be sure that you find marine and RV antifreeze. It's a pink fluid and comes in a gallon jug. In order for you to complete this process, you'll need about 2 to 3 gallons. This is non-toxic, so that's why you want to specifically use it and not use any type of automotive grade, because those are actually toxic. Next, we're going to assume that all of the water has been drained from your water lines and your tanks. Your next step is you're going to come to your water control center panel, and you want to make sure that you match the winterize diagram that's set here on this sticker. So I'm checking my levers to be sure that all the levers are in the position according to winterize, and now they are. Refer to the plumbing section in your manual to make sure you know where to close your drain lines. Then make sure that all of your faucets are closed and your EcoHot is set to the normal position. Next, we're going to attach the siphon tube to the city water inlet port. When you have your 2 to 3 gallons of antifreeze in your bucket, go ahead and insert your siphon tube and turn your pump on. This way, the RV antifreeze will be entering your plumbing lines. Now that we've siphoned the RV antifreeze into the plumbing lines, it's time to go to each of the faucets and fixtures and make sure that you open them until you see pink coming through. You want to be sure to open each side, cold and hot, until you see pink. Make sure you do this at the kitchen sink, the bathroom sink, the shower, the toilet, and don't forget the sprayer. Remember to also make sure that the antifreeze runs through your exterior shower line. Hook up your hose, point the nozzle towards the ground, squeeze the handle, and open each the cold and the hot side until antifreeze runs out. Next step is to turn off your water pump and disconnect your siphon hose and put it away for storage. After you've checked all of your lines to make sure that antifreeze is running through on both hot and cold sides, the last thing you're going to want to do is pour about a cup of antifreeze into your sink drain, your bathroom drain, and your shower floor drain.